Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. This four-door sedan has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 54,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 36 miles per gallon in the city, and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.